Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's lesson, we are going to learn some useful English phrases that people often use when talking about family problems. Let's look at a short scene between two siblings. So the scene is two siblings venting about a family problem or family fight. The person A says, Mom and Dad were at each other's throat again last night. So, at each other's throat means arguing constantly. The person B replied, Yeah, the tension is getting out of hand. So, out of hand means out of control. The person A says, I tried to keep the peace, but it didn't work. So, keep the peace means prevent or stop conflict. The person B replied, Maybe they just need some space to cool off. So, cool off means calm down emotionally. The person A says again, I hope so. The vibe at home is so heavy right now. So, heavy means emotionally tense or sad atmosphere. The person B replied, Let's just stick together, okay? So today we learned some very natural expressions: at each other's throat, out of hand, keep the peace, cool off, and heavy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which phrase you want to practice more. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.